InstaNatural Vitamin C Facial Toner, Anti-Aging Face Spray with Witch Hazel, Pore Minimizer and Calming Skin Treatment for sensitive, dry and combination types. Prep for serums and moisturizers. 4 ounces cleans, clears and preps skin. Each soothing mist of our toner delivers our advanced ingredients, including MSM, to penetrate pores and increase their elasticity. With even just a single spray, your face will become more receptive to serums, oils, and moisturizers and ensure these are absorbed more easily. Combat oily skin. Our vitamin C facial toner formula is full of components with varying purposes, but they all work together to combat and remove excess oil. With the addition of vitamin E and glycolic acid, the toner is sure to restore your natural pH levels while still being gentle on all skin types, even if your face is dry or sensitive. Anti-aging antioxidants. When it comes to developing healthy and youthful skin in both men and women, vitamin C is a vital nutrient that encourages the production of collagen. This is what gives your skin a tighter and younger look. You are sure to notice a difference in your before and after. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.